Hi, I'm Dave. This is Gary.
Welcome to Sunwest RV. Come check out where we are. Hi, we're up at our service department at 2683 Moray Avenue.
Our service department is staffed with highly trained technicians dedicated to keeping your RV in great working shape for years to come.
Let's head backstage and meet our techs.
Come on in.
Here at Sunwest RV, we know that getting you out on the road and enjoying our country is your top priority. Our service department is here to make sure you do that in comfort and style.
With over 91 years of combined experience, our Red Seal RV technicians will keep your RV in great working order for years to come. At our 10,000 square foot service center, our RV technicians are knowledgeable and thorough for all of your RV repairs.
Well, look at the time. We got to get your RV ready for its next adventure. And we'll see you next week.